Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March 26th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Sejadim. In our top news story, Amgen's Decode Genetics Unit disclosed landmark research findings having sequenced the genomes of 2,636 people in Iceland. The work uncovered variants contributing to the risk of Alzheimer's disease and atrial fibrillation as well as liver and thyroid disease. Also featured, drug makers including AstraZeneca, GlaxoSmithKline and Roche have partnered with Genomics England to accelerate the development of new treatments arising from the 100,000 Genomes project. The companies, which also include AbbVie, Biogen and Takeda, have created a consortium to oversee a trial involving a selection of whole genome sequences across cancer and rare diseases. In other news, the World Health Organization called on European governments to better share information about the cost-effectiveness of new medicines. WHO said that only a few countries in Europe have robust systems in place to evaluate whether drugs are worth using at the prices asked by companies. In addition, the FDA cleared Sanofi's quadrivalent vaccine Quadracel for active immunization against diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, and poliomyelitis in children aged 4 to 6. The immunization is intended for use as a fifth dose in the diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis vaccination series. And finally, a study of Conatus Pharmaceuticals' Emricasan in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, including a subset of patients with non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, met its main goal. Results demonstrated that the orally active pan-caspase protease inhibitor showed a significant reduction in alanine aminotransferase versus placebo. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.